wish I were a primrose, a bright yellow primrose blowing in the spring. The stooping boughs above me, the wandering bee to love me, the fern and moss to creep across, the elm tree for our king. Nay, stay, I wish I were an elm tree, a great lofty elm tree with green leaves gay. The winds would set them dancing, the sun and moonshine glancing, the birds would house among the boughs and sweetly sing. Oh no, I wish I were a robin or a little wren, everywhere to go, through forest, field or garden, and ask no leave or pardon, till winter comes with icy thumbs to ruffle up our wing. Whoa, no, I wish I were a robin or a little wren, everywhere to go, through forest, field or garden, and ask no leave or pardon, till winter comes with icy thumbs to ruffle up our wing. Well, no. Oh, tell, where should I fly to? Where go to sleep in the dark wood or dell? Before a day was over, home comes the rover, for mother's kiss, sweeter this than any other thing.